And you should be able to pull that.
Oh, this all pulls back. That makes sense.
And come right out.
There's Thanos.
You've now found the spare Thanos.
Really?
He's so cute.
Great, Thanos.
And there you go. Congratulations. You solved the puzzle box.
That's so great. Thank you.
No worries.
What is this? Oh, this is just the mechanism.
Okay, so. Haha, that's the noise of success. I now slide this over. And yes, this piece has come out. Now this will be all fixed in place, of course. This piece here should be able to come down here. And that should be the sound of, again, success. It is, yes, okay. And then finally, I can pull this slide out. I have unlocked all 3 locks, which means Thanos should be able to make his appearance. And he can. Good. Success. This is the puzzle box. It is done. Now for the clues. Is the overall pocket dimension for Thanos to hide in. This part here is one of the releases that Trevor has to figure out. And the magnets are loaded. Magnet? Where are we? Haha! Let's try that again. Huh. So now I'm finagling where to put the magnet. This is the spot right here. Right there. I do this. And where are we? It's got to be polarized, so of course it's got to be the right side up. And... ta-da! And... ta-da! One trigger engaged. Now for the slide one. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet, but I have time. Okay. Melanie Ferrier unlocking the thing. Take 7,812. I think I just did. No, this is 7,813. Can't open the drawer. What will you do?
Here comes Spider-Man.
Okay, Spider-Man smashed everything. Oh, hey, it still works. Spider-Man smashed everything, it still worked.
Save the day.
Okay. Okay, so next step. We have the sliding mechanism right here. The goal here is that this slides out of the way to allow this to unlock, which allows Thanos to move. So, if we go back to, get in there, you little beastie, to this, dinner magnets. Okay. Observe. Waha. I can now pull it to the side and back. We have a quick relock by pushing it in here. Right there. And there we go. So we have the swivel mechanism and the slide mechanism